The world of personal drones is on the brink of a massive shift. And if you have been waiting for the ultimate upgrade, your patience is about to pay off in ways you never imagined. We are talking about the DJI Neo 3, the successor to a lineup that redefined accessibility and creative freedom for creators worldwide. This is not just an iterative update. It is a complete reimagining of what a compact, intelligent, and autonomous aerial camera can achieve in 2026. Imagine a device that fits in the palm of your hand, yet possesses the processing power of a high-end cinema drone, capable of navigating complex environments with almost sentient-level awareness. For years, we have dealt with the trade-offs of portability, sacrificing stabilization, image quality, or intelligent flight modes just to keep things lightweight. Those compromises end today. The Neo 3 is built for the generation of creators who need to capture cinematic, sweeping shots while traveling light, vlogging in high-stakes environments, or simply documenting life from perspectives that were previously impossible without a dedicated professional crew. The design philosophy behind the Neo 3 centers on a concept DJI calls active fusion. This isn't just about better sensors. It is about how the drone interprets the world around it. With a completely revamped optical array, the Neo 3 utilizes a proprietary wide-angle primary lens that delivers stunning dynamic range, effectively eliminating the harsh shadows and blown-out highlights that plagued earlier compact models. The color science has been overhauled to mimic the professional-grade output of the Mavic 3 series, meaning you can finally color-grade your footage to match your main camera setup without missing a beat. But the real game changer is the intelligent flight controller embedded deep within the chassis. It features an advanced AI processing core that handles obstacle avoidance with a level of precision we have only seen in industrial drones, costing 5 times as much. You can fly this through dense forest trails, narrow urban alleys, or crowded events, and it will dance through the gaps like it has eyes of its own. Think about the way you currently shoot. You're either tethered to a bulky controller, struggling to get that perfect follow shot, or you're relying on shaky handheld footage. The Neo 3 changes that dynamic entirely. Its autonomous tracking mode has been upgraded to a 360-degree predictive algorithm. It doesn't just look for your subject, it anticipates your movement. If you're cycling, skiing, or even just walking through a bustling market, the drone keeps you perfectly framed, intelligently adjusting its altitude and speed to ensure that every transition feels smooth, cinematic, and professional. The integration with your smartphone is more seamless than ever before, acting not just as a viewer, but as a secondary processing node that allows you to edit and share your clips before you have even landed. Battery life has always been the Achilles heel of the compact drone market. The Neo 3 shatters this ceiling with a revolutionary new solid-state battery architecture that packs significantly more energy density into a smaller, lighter frame. You're looking at a flight time that comfortably eclipses the 30-minute mark, even under heavy processing loads. This extra time isn't just a luxury. It is the difference between capturing a shot and missing the moment. It means you can set up, fly, capture, and land without constantly checking your battery percentage or feeling rushed. It allows for longer cinematic sequences, complex tracking shots, and the freedom to explore surroundings more thoroughly. Furthermore, let's discuss the audio capabilities. One of the biggest complaints in the drone world is the lack of high-fidelity sound. DJI has introduced an integrated microphone array that uses active noise cancellation to suppress motor hum and wind noise, capturing high-quality ambient audio directly. Whether you're narrating your flight or capturing the sound of a waterfall from above, the Neo 3 delivers audio that is actually usable in your final edit. This is a massive leap forward for solo creators who can't afford separate wireless audio systems for every single shot. The camera system itself represents a massive leap in resolution and low-light performance. With a larger CMOS sensor and an improved f/1.7 aperture, the Neo 3 excels in environments where previous drones all have failed. We're talking about dust shots that are crisp, clean, and free of the digital grain that ruins footage. The stabilization system has been upgraded to a mechanical 3-axis gimbal, which is an engineering marvel in a drone of this size. While other manufacturers are relying on heavy digital cropping for stabilization, DJI has kept the physical gimbal, ensuring that you get the full resolution of your sensor in every single frame, with zero jitter, even in high winds. We have seen leaks suggesting the inclusion of a proprietary satellite link module, which would theoretically allow for long-distance control even when you are out of range of standard radio signals. This could be a revolutionary feature for hikers, explorers, and those documenting remote locations. The connectivity options are vastly expanded, supporting high-speed Wi-Fi 7 for near-instant offloading of 4K footage. You could be on the move, land the drone, and have your clips sync to the cloud or your editing device within seconds. Safety is, and always will be, a top priority. The Neo 3 introduces a new smart return protocol that uses real-time topographic mapping to ensure that the drone not only finds its way back to your exact location, but does so by choosing the most efficient and safe path possible. It effectively creates a real-time 3D map of the environment as it flies, ensuring it can navigate around new obstacles that might have appeared since it took off. This level of autonomy is unmatched in the consumer space, providing peace of mind whether you are a beginner or a veteran pilot.